Top 3 countries that hire Filipino VAs. Hey girls, this is Beyond the Desk by Genty. Number 3 on the list is UK. So girls, Brits or businesses in the UK trust Filipino VAs for admin support, for content, copyright, and more. According to an online source that I have read before, sabi ng mga Brits, Filipinos daw are loyal. We are efficient and at the same time, we are easy to work with. Number 2, the land down under, Australia. Australian business owners love working with Filipinos. They said that Filipinos are easy to work with and at the same time, we have also the advantage of working with them because of our time zone. Sydney is just 2 hours difference from Manila, so time difference is really an advantage. Plus, Australian businesses get top-notch talent without breaking their bank. And before I reveal the number 1 on the list, follow me for more content like this. Number 1, of course, United States of America. Americans love working with Filipino VAs. Not just VAs, actually, even in call center, diba? In the BPO industry, they love working with us. Because number 1, we are fluent in English, we can write, we can read very well, we are hardworking, we are super reliable, and at the same time zone is also perfect for American businesses to have a 24/7 support because if it's day in America, it's night here in the Philippines. So it's like their business having a 24/7 support really works for them. So if you're a VA here in the Philippines, keep your eyes out for these countries because they love working with Filipinos. Yun lang. Bye!